Welcome to the LaCosta XL installation video for shades up to 30 feet. To start, there will be some extra parts. A center support. This is a surface mount support, so it comes with a spacer plate and a slightly different motor. Feel free to pause or rewind at any time if you feel the need to get your bearings. It's recommended you watch the whole video all through at least once before you begin the installation. This video also assumes you are already familiar with our typical installation. First, measure and mark the shade's finished width, centered upon your installation. Be sure to leave 1.5 inches above for surface mount applications. Next, using your mark, level and install one side of the XL PowerScreen. Then install the rectangular spacer. If this is an inside mount, you would be installing the back half of the support instead. Now you're ready to install the second side. Next, install the brush pile. You're now ready to insert the roller tube with fabric and hem bar into the hood. This will require at least 4 people. 1 person to install the idler, 1 to install the motor in the mount, and then 2 to support the center until one of the installers from the end can come to install the center support. It is crucial that the center be supported through the entire process, or the idler pin can slip out, causing the entire XL PowerScreen to fall. Install the center support and make sure all 3 components are level. Snap in the hood cover on one side like you normally would. Trim a screw so that it will not puncture the fabric on the other side and install it on the face of the hood cover. Install the other hood cover screw like you normally would. Repeat this process on the other side. That's it, you're finished. When first deployed, you may get a wrinkle in the screen mesh from the support. It will relax out in the sun. Can you even spot the center support on this 30-foot shade? Give us a call.